Hey everybody, today's video. No, it's not a BMW video. It's a video. Yes, it's a video about mats, but it's going to be a very funny video because these mats, well, you see, these mats are made out of something unusual. It looks very much like sheepskin. Yes, it's genuine sheepskin. And these car mats, let me just give you a closer look. Yes, that's right, these mats are for a 2005 Rolls Royce Phantom. But that's not the best part. The most interesting thing, try to guess how much the mats for Rolls Royce can cost from such material. I'm sure you won't guess, because they are generally estimated cost, but it doesn't fit with life. But nevertheless, I will tell you a secret, of course. In fact, I'll tell you right now, such mats cost from 4.5 to 6,000 euros. At the current exchange rate, this is 650,000 rubles per set. Well, I want to show you this key to prove it. What do you think? Is the price for these mats justified or not? Right.